Welcome to the world of GTI motoring. This is the new Volkswagen Golf GTI. This is not a vehicle for the faint-hearted. This is not a vehicle for the normal driver. This is not even a vehicle for someone who can drive fast. This is for someone who knows how to drive fast. Just whacking the accelerator pedal is not enough. You must know how to do it and how to do it effectively to extract as much enjoyment out of this Volkswagen. And this is the latest version. Now you're going to say, hey, I've seen this car on the road before. I've seen it on the road. Yes, the Mk8 has been around for some time, but now it's been improved. It's been tweaked. It's been given a new set of features that should tickle you to go into a showroom and take it for a test drive. Let us explain. GTI. If you don't know what GTI means, I can't help you because this is so famous, GTI. So many car manufacturers over the past few decades have tried to use the name GTI. Some will use GTE, some will use GT, but GTI belongs to Volkswagen. This means performance. This means speed. This means handling. This means smiles for every mile you drive. This is the Golf GTI 8.5. 8.5 means it's a facelift of the Golf 8. And why is it a facelift? They saw customers coming back and saying, hey, we want this, we want that. So they listen to customer feedback. Now, some car manufacturers say, why should we listen to customer feedback every now and then? Golf had to listen to them. Now, why they had to listen to them? Because why? Competition was coming in from other parts of the world and from other manufacturers. So, to stay relevant, to stay ahead, they had to address this request. So, you still get a nice deep boot sunken in so that you can actually put a lot of stuff. You got a space saver spare tire. You don't need a power holder because this is light. Very important. It's powered by petrol. This is a proper car. This is an engine. You got IQ lighting system in the back. You got IQ lighting system in front. You got this new color combo. You got a new set of wheels. We'll go into the details later. In the front, it's still the same strong, handsome Volkswagen looks. It's got everything you need to say, listen, I've arrived. I want to go fast. If you see me in the rearview mirror, move aside. So let's get into the car right now. Let me share with you some interesting features inside the car. Get into the GTI, the first thing you notice, bigger screen. You know, everybody wants big screens. But put that aside, you still get this nice dashboard layout, a digital instrument cluster for the driver. You got some functions here, a little bit of functions here. You got mode, lighting systems all here. You got some physical little slider control here, some other functions here. This is the only disappointing thing that I have with this GTI. You have a automatic gear shifter. But then, even Ferrari uses an automatic gear shifter. Sad, isn't it? The world of automatic gears. Anyway, no manual version of this car. That's a sad thing. GTI Golf. This is what it is. Now, seeing all this is fine. Cup holders, glove box, all that nice material here. You know, very metallic. But the screen has got a lot of new features. I'll share with you in a bit. But here is where you must understand it's all about. Holding on to this car, steering it, pedal shifters, multifunction steering wheel, that all-important GTI badge, the red stitching. It's giving you back what GTI is all about from Volkswagen. Now, Harman Kardon sound system is the bomb. You got to listen to the sound system. I cannot share with you over a video. You'll not be able to understand what I'm saying. You got to get into the car and test drive this car with the sound system beating out some nice tunes. So let's start up this car so you can see what we're talking about. Hear that? Did you hear the exhaust? Okay. So, nice new screen. Let me get out of the way so Mr. Cameraman will have a nice clear view of the screen. This car comes with a 2-liter TSI engine, turbocharged petrol engine that delivers 265 horsepower, an increase of 20 horsepower over the previous Mk8. So this, like I said, this is the Mk8.5. You're still running a 7-speed DSG, which is very, very important, because why? That DSG is the thing that makes this engine come alive, the quick shifts. Now, for the 8.5, you get color choices of Onyx, Oryx White, it's Oryx, Oryx White, Moonstone Grey, Grenadilla Black, King's Red, what we're driving right now, and Anemone Blue. I hope I pronounced it correctly. You still get some physical buttons, like I said. You get these beautiful sport seats with the GTI on the, just below the headrest. You get a very driver-focused cabin. And this, my friends, is a 12.9-inch tablet infotainment system running on a very, very intuitive MIB4 system, complete with built-in navigation. Now, you got the Harman Kardon sound system, like I said. Now, why is it so good? 480 watts digital amplifier with the subwoofer, okay? The driver gets head-up display. You get 2 USB-C ports in front and in the rear. Now, this car is priced at 255,000 ringgit. 255,000 ringgit. It's not a lot of money. Let me tell you, it's not a lot of money when you consider what you're getting in this car. I'm just going to show you little things, okay? Hello, Ida. Okay, we started the last bit, huh? So to start, you got your drive mode. You can choose individual, eco of course to save fuel, comfort, just to be very comfortable and also save fuel. Then you got sports mode, and this is when the exhaust note gets a little bit louder. Okay. Driver instrument display. You got an interactive personal assistant. Hello, Ida. Can you navigate us to go home?
I don't know your home address yet.
Okay.
Please save it in the infotainment system.
So, very simple. When we get a car first time, it doesn't know us because we are test driving the car. But when you live with the car, it'll have all your preferred addresses or locations or destinations saved as you move along with the ownership of the car. So this is the first time. So you understand, you can work this thing out. Now, you've got color choices. Can you see that? Also for the dash. Can you see that? Very nice, right? You got also individual, which you can play around with. I'm going to go with Euphoria, okay? You got your mode system, very fast, very, very fast to work. Tells you all kinds of things you want to switch on and switch off. You got your park assist. Look at that, how clear it is. This is what you want. Can you see? When you're parking in a tight space. Got it? Okay. So you got your climate control, you got your volume button here, okay? Slider volume button, and you got your aircon sliders here. So what Volkswagen is giving you is, number one, you got this bigger screen, you got this infotainment screen, but driver infotainment screen, instrument cluster, sorry, driver instrument cluster infotainment screen, but you also got this slider control at the bottom here for very important functions like aircon and volume control, and your driver selector mode, which you don't have to go into the system to use, which makes it a lot easier for people to adapt, because not everybody wants a full touchscreen. Meanwhile, if you want to go into the touchscreen, you still can go into the touchscreen. So this is what Volkswagen is giving to buyers of the new Mark 8.5 GTI. So let's take it for a drive and show you a little bit of the behind the wheel excitement. Let's go. Nice bucket seats, very firm, holds your torso nicely. I mean, my size lah, nicely. This guy is going slow. I have to do a GTI move on him. Very responsive, very quick steering, nice brakes. Beautiful engine note, beautiful exhaust note. And I use that simply because it's so close to you driving, say, a Porsche Cayman 2.0. Similar engine and tech on it, except that car is a bit lighter. But, you know, if you wanted something really quick, fast, entertaining, but you want 4 seats, you want at least to carry 4 people, and you know a Porsche won't do it for you, you get a Golf GTI 8.5 at half the price, you know, 2-liter engine, same as that car. But of course, you know, 2 different animals. One's a pure thoroughbred sports car, one is a hot hatch. And this hot hatch has got so much heritage, history, you know, and it looks good. Looks good from the outside. And this now with the new screen, very adaptive to your commands, easy to use, easy to work with. 255,000 people. And let's not forget that Harman Kardon sound system. That is really one of the best sounding sound systems you'll probably experience in a factory car. That means a car that comes not from an accessory shop or not from audio tuner. So go into a showroom, take this Golf GTI for test drive and test the sound system. Try and get as much excitement out of it so that you are totally taken into owning one.